we are going to look at percentage increase and percentage decrease. Now, there are two steps you have to follow when you have to work out a percentage increase or decrease. The first step is to find the difference between the two values. So this is our first sum. We want to know something increased from 30 to 60. We want to know, did it increase or decrease, and by what percentage? So the first step is to find the difference. Remember, difference is subtract. So we say 60 minus 30. We always take the big one minus the small one. 60 minus 30 is 30. Now this answer is the top of your fraction. Then number 2, put the answer for step 1, which we did, at the top over the original value. What was our original value? 30. Now we're working with percentages, and because we can't easily take 30 to 100, we are going to times by 100 over 1, because all percentages are out of 100. So we say 3 times 1 is 3, and we bring down our 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3. And we put that over 30 times 1, which is 30. Now, if we cross out the 2 zeros, we can only cross out 1 0 at the bottom and 1 0 at the top. How many times does 3 go into 300? 100 times. So my percentage increase was 100, which makes sense because to get from 30 to 60, that's 100% more. And because it became more, it went from 30 to 60. It's an increase. Increase means gets bigger. So there was a 100% increase to get from 630 to 60. If we look at the other side, we went from 40 to 32. Remember, the first step says we must find the difference. So that's our first step. We say 40 minus 32, which is 8. Our second step says we take this answer and we put it at the top. And we put it over the original value, which in this case was 40. Now again, it's not easy to take 40 to 100, so we have to multiply by 100 over 1, because all percentages are out of 100. Then we say 8 times 100 is 800. And we say 40 times 1 is 40. Now, we have 1 0 at the bottom and 2 at the top, so we can only cross out 1 0. Then how many times does 4 go into 80? 20 times. So my percentage increase was decrease. This is important. Remember, our value went from 40 to 32, so it became less. So it's a decrease. So the percentage decrease was 20%.